Yeah, sometimes I feel like parents need to like know their children and try and have that friendly relationship with their children.
But
They
I
must
don't think I don't think our parents will understand like that. You know why?
Yeah. But
Because these people were raised in a different type of like time. These people were raised during apartheid. They're about you know, you trying to open for the window. You know? And we grew up now in a space where everything is free.
Sort of,
You
yeah.
understand? We can do whatever. Like literally we are filming this show at night.
At night.
You understand?
Hey, and during that apartheid era,
1995, we filmed a show outside.
don't suffer there.
But there
Okay, an example
Yeah.
could be someone who's coming from a house of not a poor household,
Yeah.
but,
unprivileged.
a family, unprivileged
that's a
household.
privilege.
Okay,